everyone, I'm Eszter Kovács, and here today we are at the Amsterdam Drone Week 2023. And today I'm talking with Dino from Örebro area. And I should admit that I've never been in Örebro, but I heard a lot of amazing things from the team there. So Dino, please introduce yourself. What do you do? And why are you here at Amsterdam Drone Week?
Thank you, Eszter. It's a pleasure to be here and meet you and the team at DroneTalks. My name is Dino Keljalic and I work as a development manager, or more precisely transport strategist in Region Örebro, which is also famously called for the heart of Sweden, located in the center of Sweden. A famous transport and logistics region in Sweden.
So that's amazing. I checked the map, before I arrived to Amsterdam Drone Week, and I see it's really a strategic area in the Nordic, right? Because you have a lot of water, but you are close to Stockholm, right?
Yes.
So it seems like, there is a lot going on in Örebro. So why drones? So why are you focusing on drones and air mobility, or what's behind,
Yes, actually, we have been following the development some years when it comes to drones, and we see it's the time. Things are starting to move in Europe with the new regulations, with creation of new spaces. And as I mentioned, we are a quite famous transport region, so this is a natural step for us to also investigate the opportunities when it comes to drones.
So when you say you're famous on transport, it's ground transport or water transport, or what should we imagine, I know very little about, that area.
We have the most important railroads in Sweden passing our region. There is a hub in a city called Eszter, which is part of the 10T. It's a designated railroad terminal, so we have the roads and the railways, as well as one of the biggest cargo airports in Sweden, actually.
Oh, wow.
So they are part of our drone network together with Örebro University, our promotion agency, Business Region Örebro, my organization, Region Örebro, and as well as the 12 municipalities in the regions. So that's our take when it comes to drones. With all due respect, we are not looking for the next cool pilot, but we want to take another approach and plan the lower airspace together with the municipality in the regions and the companies to have a solid and sustainable regional development. So when we are ready to implement and upscale drones, that the whole region is ready, both from the political point of view, but also that the regions are ready, and the companies, actors, and the people, of course, that there is a social acceptance for drones.
So it seems like you already have good experience regarding engaging different stakeholders and get people together in a same table in your region to kind of build something innovative. So I'm just thinking, U-Space is just around the corner, right? As a hottest topic nowadays, So what is your take on U-Space and how Örebro going to approach U-Space,
It's a very important question. I'm glad that you asked. We don't see the U-Space as the end of regulation, but the start of regulation. So we have this drone network, and we are open to invite other stakeholders from the private and public sector to sit around our round table and together with us develop the lower airspace, the U-Space, not to create obstacles, but to create opportunities so we can have a solid development and that we can create the ground so we can have commercial and social beneficial flights and drone flights in Örebro, in the Örebro area. Start in Örebro and then we
scale from
yes.
that. So when do you start to do this? Do you have any timeline? Like, is it this year you want to take some initiatives, or more next year, or when people should reach out to you, like today, or what's your timeline regarding that?
Of course, this is a journey. We learn as we walk. We take rather small steps and always go further, then take large steps and miscalculate. So we are open at the moment for meetings and talk to people and invite them to our round table and see how we together can plan make drones a part of the society by plan them.
And that sounds super interesting. What an open, innovative approach. I love this. And, I'm a big fan of it. This is why Dino is here, because we love and support all of this, what Dino said. And I think, Dino, any other message what you want to share with the drone industry or the audience of Amsterdam Drone Week, or anything else what you have in your mind regarding drones? What's the future?
No, we see that this has shifted from technology to become a part of the social planning. That's why we need all stakeholders from different levels to plan this together. And we are open, and that is our approach. We need to create clear rules on how we can operate together.
Exactly.
And develop them from there.
Yeah.
So this is the voice both of cities and regions, but as well as we should not forget the people and the companies and people that want to gain and contribute to a healthy and good development and integration of drones in our cities and regions.
And I think this is crucial what Dino says. Technology is there already. Technology was there 5 years ago. It improves, of course, getting better and better, but now the time to engage with stakeholders such as cities, such as, government. It's time to engage with the police, with the whole ecosystem, with Dino's, initiative shows, because this is how you can create something. It's not enough to focus only on technology anymore. That's my personal takeaway, from this discussion. Thank you so much, Dino, for this great talk.
It was a pleasure.